Pa-video daw.
Sir, tingnan mo nga kung ano, ito yung bagong naka-display dito. Same lang. Para sure ka na ano, tingnan mo. Ito yung bago eh. Siguro same lang din yata yan. Okay sir, someone collected now. So this is your bill, 423. Okay.
Subscribe!
Right now,
Sana all!
Kindly
Subscribe!
collect to my backside. Okay. Your items. Thank you very much. So this is the M2505 2.2 sir. Okay. M2505 sir, there is a left and right huh? This is right side. If you are sitting inside, so the side table is right side. So this is the video.
Eid Saeed, let's enjoy this happy day. Eid Mubarak, come on, let's celebrate. Eid Saeed, let's enjoy this happy day. Eid Mubarak, come on, let's celebrate, celebrate.
Ito, offer price. 300, leather siya. Sir, this is also out of stock. See, different side table. Different is
Subscribe! Sana all! Subscribe!
out of stock also sir. 1.2 by 1.4. This is the color that you ordered before. That one. This is the one that you asking, sir. See the difference. But this is same size of your order, what you ordered. Matching to. Ayan, oh. Ito yung desk. Ngayon, pag kinuha mo naman to, ang last price niya is 280. So, yun nga lang, match siya dito, ma'am. Kayo po, yung black or this one?